Welcome to the Google Kubernetes setup. First, let us create a cluster called Dynamo cluster using the 4 CPU node type because the build kit requires at least 3 CPU. Enter the command cluster created. Let us get the credentials of this cluster. Generated. Next, let's use Docker login. Configure the Docker credentials. On our Mac, make sure we have installed Docker Earthly and Helm. Then, at the root folder, let us push all of the Docker images. And then kube control, check the storage class, create the namespace, and then set the current context to the namespace. Next, deploy. Alright, deployment successful.